fake it until you make it: How to become a successful leader. See yourself as a king. In order to be successful, one needs to have a strong sense of self-worth and belief in their abilities. This is especially true when achieving goals and making a difference in the world. To be able to make an impact, one must first see themselves as a king, believing that they are capable of achieving anything one set their mind to. Believing in yourself is the first step towards becoming a leader and role model that others can look up to and believe in. You have to believe in yourself. Believing in yourself is an important part of success. You have to be able to see yourself as a king before you can expect others to believe in you. It's not enough to just have a plan and the right attitude. You must also be able to demonstrate your confidence and ability. Even if you don't feel confident, try to exude self-assurance and show that you are willing to take risks and face challenges head-on. When you truly believe in yourself, you will be better equipped to handle any situation and make the best decisions for yourself. Put your best foot forward. Seeing yourself as a king and putting your best foot forward are two strategies for achieving success. It is very important to believe in yourself and to have confidence in order to be successful. Having a positive outlook and putting your best foot forward will help you reach your goals and live a fulfilling life. It is also essential to remember that it is important to let others believe in you before you can fully believe in yourself. So reaching out to others and building relationships can be key to finding success. The importance of developing self-belief. Developing self-belief is an essential part of achieving success. It allows us to be confident in our own abilities and take control of our lives. As the saying goes, if you see yourself as a king, before people can believe in you. Taking ownership of our own self-image and understanding that we are capable of achieving great things is the first step to reaching goals and living a life full of purpose. Choose your battles wisely. When it comes to achieving success, it is important to choose your battles wisely. This means understanding your strengths and weaknesses, so you can decide where to invest your time and energy. Knowing when to fight and when to retreat can help you maintain a sense of confidence and control. If you are able to identify the battles that are worth fighting, it can help you see yourself as a king before others can believe in you. If you want others to believe in you, you must believe in yourself. Self-belief is a powerful thing, and it can be the difference between achieving greatness and falling short of expectations. If you want others to believe in you, it is essential that you first learn to believe in yourself. Seeing yourself as a king before others can believe in you is an important part of this process, as this will help you to recognize your own worth and potential. With the right mindset and a positive attitude, there is no limit to what you can achieve.